Hello everybody. I have this very old Craftsman snowblower. It's a 9 horsepower, 26-inch cut, and it runs like a champ. I'm just amazed how well this machine runs and how good a job it does moving the snow. But I'm getting ready to put it away for the spring, and I was encountering a small problem with it, and that is it would not idle at low speed. Engine would just die when I tried to take it down to low speed, and when it was in high speed it seemed to be hunting. The speed seemed to be revving up and down. I wouldn't say it was surging, but the speed was not steady. I have one solution to this, and it's a really simple fix. I'm going to remove 4 screws on this particular machine, which is very similar to a Snow King. Going to remove 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, and one up here by the dipstick tube. This housing will come off. You got to pull the choke knob off and then disconnect the wire which is attached to the on-off kill switch. So I have the shroud off, cover off, and here's the carburetor. And it's really simple. All you need to do is take this cap off. This little plastic cap right here. Just pry it off. Try not to lose it. You're going to need to put it back. But if you pry that cap off, underneath that cap will be a screw. You just need a small screwdriver. Well, it'll be a jet of some sort. It looks like a jet or a nozzle. Just unscrew it all the way. It has 3 holes in it, 2 in the side, 1 on the end. Get yourself a piece of really small, fine wire, not too large. You don't want to enlarge the hole. That whole diameter is critical. But just clean it out. Put some carb cleaner in the holes. When you're done, blow it off. Throw the needle back in. And in my case, the engine runs smooth as silk at low speed, and at high speed it's not hunting anymore. So as I said, it wasn't really a surge. It just seemed to me that the RPM was not steady. It'd be revving up and revving down. So before you go messing around with the governor or rebuilding your carburetor or messing with any of the other linkages that are variable, so to speak, the first thing to do is tackle those items which are fixed. And so the jet that's right in here, that jet, just get it nice and clean, and that may possibly take care of your problem. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting, how about subscribing to my channel?